Well, I had a customer bring me this little Stihl MS171 saw today, and he said what it was doing was it crank it up and run good, but the chain itself would not spin when you, well, it would spin, but whenever you got ready to rev it up and put it in log, it would stall. Pretty evident what the problem was. You look at the spur drum or the clutch, what I would normally call it, that's what's left of it. There's the needle bearings, there's part of the cage, and there's the other part of the cage. So pretty evident what happened there. Now, after doing some further investigation or investigative work, doesn't that sound technical? It looked like to me that he obviously bought the wrong chain, or somebody put the wrong chain on it. I'm not sure how or why, but let me get this out in the light so you can see it a little bit better. I don't know if that's gonna be better or worse, but you see right down in there, look how it ate that all up. And when I was taking it apart, you can see that chain was riding, really wasn't riding like it should in there. So I'm thinking his problems started when he put the wrong chain on this sprocket or this drum, whatever you want to call it. And if you look at the chain itself, you see spots like right here. It wasn't really actually riding like it should. So yeah, I believe what he was doing was his problem initially started with buying the wrong chain. It did not fit on this sprocket drum, spur drum, whatever you want to call it. Now this chainsaw here it's a Stihl Roll-O-Matic Mini. It's a 16-inch chain, 3/8 55 by 043. Now, if you own a chainsaw or you don't, this will help you identify what chain you should be using. And if he had known where this was at the time, he would have alleviated his problem most likely. So there you go right there. It tells you all the information you need. This is the bar that came off of this Stihl MS171. That's the information you need to actually buy the proper chain for this MS171 Stihl chainsaw. A lot of people go out there and they buy these chainsaws and they condemn the brand or the make or whatever it is on the product themselves. Half the time it's operator error or mechanic error. So all the information you need is right there, folks. Thumbs up, like, subscribe. I hope you learned something in this video.